How to eject water from iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar there and search for water eject. Further, go ahead and download any of the water ejecting apps you see in here. Make sure that most of the apps are includes in-app purchases so you can go ahead and download accordingly. Once installed, go ahead and tap on the eject button you see there in the app, and with this, the water ejecting process will begin. The next way to eject water is open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for fixmyspeakers.com. You will then see the option for water eject. Tap on the water eject button, and with this, the speaker will start vibrating and push liquid out automatically. Make sure that this works for light moisture and not heavy water exposure. And the next way is you can also go ahead and open YouTube on your device and tap on the search bar and search for 165 Hz speaker cleaning sound or water eject sound on the search bar and play the tone for 20 to 30 seconds and make sure to repeat it after 2 to 3 times. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then you can go for the natural method, that is, let the water dry itself naturally. You can simply wipe the outside and leave your iPhone upright and place it in a dry ventilated area and let it die for 2 to 3 hours. So these were a few ways on how you can eject water from iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.